Hey Maria, this is Jyoti from Health 2.0 conference. Very congratulations for getting recognized on our platform. How do you feel about it?
Well, thank you so much. I think it's very flattering, and I think it just goes to credit for the opportunity. I've worked with so many great people in the industry all over the world, and I just think this is a culmination of all those experiences put together.
That's great. That's great. So, can you please introduce yourself and the organization you are representing today?
Sure. So I am Maria Palombini, and I am the global leader for the healthcare and life science practice here at the IEEE Standards Association. And obviously, many people may not know our organization. The IEEE actually stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It's a global nonprofit technology association. It is the world's largest technological association, and it's been
Wow.
around for over 100 years.
Oh, that's
Mhm.
great. That's incredible. And
It
how
is absolutely interesting.
yes, yes, yes. And how do you think the industry is transforming lives at a global scale?
So I think that the healthcare life science industry is really on a cusp of significant change. One of the big things I do see, obviously being in a technology landscape, is the intersection of engineering and science. So for a very, very long time, healthcare and life science depended on science, right? Your research, your compounds, your the way the body works, the anatomy, physiology. And now in comes technology in the form of AI, the remote monitoring devices, the biosensors, the use of machine learning and quantum. All of these things are amplifying the science. So it's no longer we're saying, okay, science is showing us this.
Hmm?
It's the data coming from these robust and innovative devices and technologies that is amplifying the science for us to really move towards this concept of, let's say, precision medicine, personalized therapeutics, aging longer, and the idea of having a healthier and longer lifespan.
Yes, agree, agree. So, Maria, how did it feel to receive recognition for your accomplishments?
Oh, well, I think it's very interesting, and like I said, I'm very flattered. I think this is really a culmination, like I mentioned earlier, of working with many different great people all over the world who are very passionate about responsible use of technologies and science to deliver better care. And so for me, it's just, I think, a great opportunity to not only talk about the opportunity I've had in working with them, but as well as showcase the great things we have all done together. So I think this is very, very exciting. Obviously, being from a engineering association, I think this, but really, really showcases where we are on this cusp of change.
Agree. That's great. And once again, congratulations. And what do
Thank you.
you think about our conference, Maria? Hoping you attended the virtual one?
Yes, so I think the conference is very, very interesting. I totally appreciate to see how many different people have been recognized for the many different things that they're doing throughout the healthcare and life science ecosystem. It's really inspiring to see just the diverse blend of people involved. But as well, I think just seeing all these different people coming together and really sharing different ideas and being at the forefront and being open to hearing these things that are emerging or maybe a little bit ahead of the curve. And so I think that shows that people are starting to embrace this idea that, although we all need healthcare, we really need to start thinking about it a little bit differently in our approach. And try really important. One of the big things I really I hope that people understand is that we have to move away from this idea of just disease management. Yes, it's great that we've gotten a little bit of a handle on that, but we really need to start moving towards disease prevention. And regardless of what kind of disease that is, if we really want to talk about having longer quality life for all individuals.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much for sharing all these. So,
Mhm.
Maria, could you please tell us where we can find your company's information to contact you?
Sure. So as I mentioned, I lead the healthcare and life science practice. And just for everybody's information, what exactly that means is I work in a lot of great work around incubation of ideas and opportunities. It's a great place for people to come and collaborate. It's
Okay.
open. And so to learn more about how to get involved in all our different activities across the entire healthcare value chain, you can visit http://IEEESA.io/HLS. And all those letters are small cap.
Okay.
So that's the healthcare life science practice. And then from there, you can branch into the global world of IEEE. And there's many, many different societies and different practices. I mean, we are a very, very large global organization.
Wow. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you so much for sharing all these details to us. And just for your information, we are upcoming with an event which is going to be happening in Dubai and US both. So for Dubai, the date is going to be 20, 21st, and 22nd February, which is going to be Intercontinental Festival City only. And for the US, it's going to be 17, 18, and 19th March in Caesar's Palace. Hoping to see you again as well. So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Maria. Have a great day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
You too. Thank you so much.